In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the driver's side replacement mirror glass on your Dodge Ram, located right here in your driver's side door mirror. Now, if your mirror is a folding mirror, it's going to be pretty easy. Go ahead and give this a quick little bump. That's going to give you a little more room to go ahead and work on the mirror itself. Now, it's always a good practice to be wearing safety glasses when you're working with glass. We're simply going to take some tape and we're going to cover up the mirror in case this should crack on us. Once you have that glass protected up there, just going to tuck that tape in around here just to protect this. Go ahead and pull this out. Now at this point here, go ahead and you're going to pull out on the top of the mirror glass. Go ahead and separate this glass from the mirror motor. On the back side here, you're going to find two wires going to the heated element. Here's the heated element wires right here. I'm going to go ahead and grab those and disconnect those off of the mirror. I want to go ahead and remove this backing right here, so we're going to use our pry tool, gently press down here. That allows us to push this little panel off. I'm just going to swap over our anti-rattle clips here. Let's go ahead and install this onto our new mirror glass. Now the mirror itself has little tabs right here, and these are going to line up with the 4 posts right here. So what you're going to do is line this up. We're going to push this mounting base up. Just going to push this on until this lock tab locks the backing plate in place. This is ready for installation. Now when you remove the mirror, if you remove this with the little studs on here, we're going to go ahead and pop those off. You're simply going to apply some light pressure to the side and it pops the ball out of the socket on the back side. We're going to go ahead and install these here back into the motor and then snap the mirror onto the little ball stud. So you're going to push these into the motor itself. I'm going to go ahead and install your anti-rattle clips here. Snap those into place. Let's go ahead and get the heated element wired up here. I'm just going to use a pair of pliers. I'm going to twist these accordingly so that those nubs line up. At this point here, go ahead and bring the mirror glass up and in. Go ahead and line that up. And once you have that mirror installed, you can go ahead and fold that mirror back to its original position, hop into the vehicle, and adjust that mirror accordingly.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.